Here's a good question. Shane says, on a 602, is there any performance gain to switch from front to rear on power steering pumps and fuel pumps?
No, there's not. Convenience is the biggest thing to me. I prefer all rear mount stuff just because it gets everything off the motor and it's nice and clean and tidy. I definitely prefer reverse mount fuel pumps when it comes to, if you're running something like E85.
Oh,
so yeah. That's my number one preference. I mean, I've got guys running mechanical pumps on E85, but I prefer it off the back of the motor.
Huh. I hadn't put that together. I mean, I knew you already liked rear drives and I knew that you liked the tandem pump setups.
Right. And it's not in everybody's budget to do. So you still, like in our basic package that we offer for 602s and 604s, it comes, I think, with a mechanical pump.
Mm-hmm.
But because we're talking a pretty significant price difference between reverse mount power steering and fuel.
Yeah. Yeah. Especially with the fuel pump portion of it.
Now, a lot of 602 classes, they specify you have to run a mechanical pump and you have to run power steering off the front of the motor.
Or you have to add weight.
Or or there's a weight penalty and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
But in that scenario there, no, there's no performance advantage by putting it on the back and taking the weight hit.
Yeah, and that's something I've even heard from Jones as well. Yeah. Like talking to CJ Jones, that we've talked about that.
I'm sure Cody at KRC tell you the same thing.
Oh, I'm sure. If I just had to ask.